Hi everyone and welcome to our official channel Healthric. Today we are going to talk about something that is essential for our overall well-being, detoxifying our bodies naturally. In this fast-paced world, our bodies can accumulate toxins from the food we ate, the air we breathe, and the stress we experience. So let's dive into the 3 simple steps to detoxify our bodies naturally. So let's talk about step 1. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Water is the key to flushing out toxins from our bodies. Make sure to drink at least 10 to 12 glasses of water every day. You can also add a slice of lemon, cucumber for a refreshing twist. Staying hydrated not only aids in detoxification but also helps improve digestion, skin health, and overall energy levels. Then step 2. Eat clean and green. Fill your plate with fresh, colorful fruits and vegetables. These natural powerhouses are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support the body's detoxification process. Incorporate fruits like spinach, broccoli, berries, and citrus fruits into your daily meals. Remember, nature provides us with the best ingredients for detoxification. Now, last step 3 is de-stress your body and mind. In our busy lives, stress and tension accumulate in our bodies and trigger the production of toxins. Try to relax your body and mind by incorporating calming activities such as yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, or even just taking a walk outside. It's important to treat your body with the right amount of self-care it needs. And that's it, folks. 3 simple steps to detoxify your body naturally. Remember, detoxification is an ongoing process. Keep up with these 3 simple steps every day and gradually you will enjoy the long-term benefits. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy and keep smiling.